money, bro. Yeah. I just see moolah, moolah. I just see dollar. I just see dollar. I just see moolah, moolah. I just see dollar. Yeah. Just a stack up the dollar bill. Morning light, we a pray me. Like deep freeze. Me and my friend them pan a boat ride. We a chill and just see that.
You're deaf, make them know Tremadan, no joke about that. I just we have a friend them a chill. Is it pan a boat ride? Is it? I would just stack up the mills and I go and live a life. Yeah man, remember good man. Yeah, driver 876 out here like all the time. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, I want to go subscribe to your YouTube channel and tick the notification bell to stay up to date to this YouTube channel, is it me? And get further notification. Is it? You know a thing go. 6 out here like all the time, man. Yeah, man, I will forward I do the review upon Tremadan single called Dollars, is it? I just say moolah. Yeah, produced by Driver 876, you know? ENT. You know the thing go already. We out here like all the time. No joke about that. Yeah, man, Tremadan I make you know say, yo, I just see dollar bill, is it? I just see moolah, I just see money. I eat him just go and stack up the dollar bill, is it? Him and him friend them just go and chill and do the right thing, you see me? Man, I make you know say, yo, I no poker, you know, but we still stack up chips, is it? We just a chip and a chop and a stack up, is it? I just see paper, I just hit, I do the right thing, you see me? And money I motivation, and money I aim, and money I drive, and money make you have all things, and money make your sad life turn sweet, you see me? Make all of your pain and sorrow gone. If you have a illness or you got a doctor, yeah, you don't know a thing or we know it going on. And so you shouldn't go still now, but how you the modern world are working now, so we just have to go with the times, but yet still we, you know, have morals in our things said way. Yeah man, I eat man. And we out here like all the time. I make you listen to a little part of the song and, you know, run some height.
Morning light, we a pray me. Like deep freeze. Me and the girl them pan a boat ride, we a chill. Money make everything nice. You get the pretty girl with the thick thighs. Benz roll down, what a cool ride. I'm 4-5 tuck, well neat from side. Oh, on the hill with it.
Yeah, deaf yeah, man say your money make everything nice. You get the pretty girls with the thick tie. Benz roll down, what a cool ride. Is it 4-5 tuck pan inside? Yeah man say man I make you know say yo, with the money come all like joy and the happiness and the success and the achievement, yeah? But yet still you have to have a 4-5 for entire the haters and the bad mind and the red eye people them are running and try to come rob him or try to take him food. And you have in last line of defense to put up. Yeah man, they bro gotta make you know man. The true money me say man, me still have a strap yeah, ready for protect my own and my family and the team. Yeah man, like normal. No joke about that.
Pool outside, I'ma feel like make a cruise on the coastside. Life too nice, and me need more time, but in the meantime, we just a stack up the dollar bill. Morning light, we a pray me. Like deep freeze. Me and my friend them pan a boat ride, we a chill.
Yeah man, Tremadan I make you know say yeah man, money make everything nice. Money make you get everything, you see it? But you see me, in a life still you have to just know say you have to put in the hard work, and when the hard work pay off, you just go and enjoy your life and live your life to the fullest. Like all the time, you see me? I want to make them know man. A driver 876 out here, you know? I want to make them know say money and motivation. You see it, I just see dollar, I just see moolah. Tremadan I make them know say yeah, I give me drive. I make him have to go harder every day, you see me? When you see all the achievements and things when you can reach, you see me? He just jump out and do the right thing and make it happen for him and him team and him family. Yeah? Man, I make you know, man, say, money I hear, man. We go feet, like all the time. I will not do nothing to follow feet. You see it straight, man, I work and... So, yeah, man, I want to go check out that song here on all digital platforms right now. We out there, you see it, it's on Spotify, iTunes, Deezer, Shazam, you name it, Google Music. It's out there, you see it, YouTube. So I just want to go share, like and subscribe and go stream my music too, you see me? And make the thing grow, you see it? As them say, one coca full basket, so just do the right thing and listen to the music in the right way, you see it? Yeah man, remember to share, like and subscribe to Driver 876. And we still have a big bad rhythm named Dollars Pan Dollars, you see it?